Hello, this is Farhan, and today I'll be showing you how to create the LOKI opening theme in Gimp 2.10. Let's get going, shall we? I said that in British, didn't I? Hello guys, this is Farhan, the guy talking, and this is a screenshot I took while recently recording from LOKI, and what we're going to do next is trace this out. I'm gonna try my best to trace this out, and I'll see you next. So these are the screenshots I took, and you can see this is going to be a bit tricky because every frame, or say seconds, or say Loki's style,
Independence, authority, style.
these are all fading and then blooms up. So I'm going to bloom it out, some of these, and these are all the frames I got. You can also check this LOKI opening theme by the Smoking Skull. I'll have a link in the description for it. And next we're gonna get into creating our own LOKI opening theme. So we're gonna start by creating a new document. Go to File, New, and we're going to make an image size by 1920 by 800 because this is the LOKI episode dimensions. And we're gonna fill it with this color over here, this darker green, and I'm going to open as layers. Here I have this customized layers that I made. You can see how it starts. So the first method that we're gonna use is keep the color like this. See how it works. So let's go ahead and go to File, Export As. I'm going to create a new folder named LOKI, and type in LOKI 1. You can name it whatever you wanna. Stick with LOKI 1. So I'm gonna keep on doing this. I'm going to skip this over so you don't have to see me doing it. That will take a lot of time. Oh, and another thing, we need to bloom this out. Like in this image here, the L and K are bloomed out. I have separated the layers on LK. This is LK. And another thing, right now it wouldn't bloom. Like image L and K are bloomed out. Maybe it will work once we get to the highlighting parts. But we're gonna keep it simple right now. So how we did it. This is how it turned out to be. You can see what we did back there. We changed the opacity from it's how we wanted to fade it out, and when we go to last, it's bloomed out. And this is how to go back to this, then open as layers, open this, and then you would go to lights and shadow, boom, limit exposure, strength, and radius much, then create a new layer, fill it with this color over here, which is the text color, and then send it to soft light. This gives it a little bit more greeny saturation. Create a new layer and then add a supernova. Lights and shadow supernova. Set the color green to it. So now we'll get into the animation part. Go to new, create new. Now we're going to open all layers. Document. Remember we created that folder LOKI, so go to LOKI 1 to LOKI 42. This is gonna take some time. So placed all of the layers now, and now go to filters, animation, playback. We're just gonna preview what the animation was. Make it full screen. No play. Oh, okay. You can see it's happening too much. Let me make it 0.25x. So one frame should be 2 seconds. And it's supposed to be 30. Let's try with 30. Seems okay to me, so I'm gonna now cut it. Now export it as an animation. I'm going to create a folder. I'm gonna name it LOKI intro opening theme, whatever you like to call it. Going to name this LOKI dot GIF. Export. And we kind of did this before in how to create your personal GIF, and make sure you have as animation, and don't make it loop forever, then that will make it a GIF. Names were unspecified. Let's try with 100, and from frame disposal where unspecified should be 1 frame per layer replace. Then let's export it. So when we did that, it didn't work. See, I thought autocutting that would fix it, but see, it's too fast. So now what I'm going to do is video edit it in video editor. Just first I'm going to do is get the GIF to slow and then add music. So here's the result.